site here. Today is the 19th of June 2021 and we have Meripuistotie share lane 7 stakes A here in Lauttasaari, Helsinki, Finland. And we have filmed the stakes B here in March 2020. So we have both of them now, finally. The capacity is 320 grams. And this was also built in 1978. Turned to 40 years old in 2018. And the serial number is H41125 actually. So in stakes B it is 24. And it will be inspected in next year, 2022. And maybe this was intended to be stakes B first.
Yeah.
And then the A would have been the other one, but they changed the order.
Yeah.
Maybe because this is like to the street from stakes A, this is like easier to remember.
Yeah.
And that's why they changed the order.
Yeah.
But they constructed it so they took that one first and that's this one.
Yeah.
When we do a second ride, we should do it a silent ride.
Yeah.
I love the sounds here.
No, same here. Tippaakin vain pitänyt meidän Kone.
That's a proper maintenance.
Yeah. But it's rare in Lauttasaari.
Yeah, actually, yes. And silent ride.
Yeah.
You can press. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I didn't also watch the stakes B here. I love this nation. Yeah.
That's